onboarding has become much easier, from job ads to the final employee contract, all on one console. To start with the onboarding process, you can click on the onboarding card on the dashboard. Our first step is to advertise a job post. This can be done from the first card or from the job post screen in the second card. In the job post screen, you can click on New at the top, select the job as set up under the Services menu, select a closing date for applicants, which is also when the ad will end. Next, you can select the expected starting date. You can also select the pay frequency. This will make the remuneration structure more attractive and also directly links to when a job application is converted into an employee. When adding pay rates, you can add 2 of the same rates and it will reflect the range on the ad. You can also select to make the ad public on openHR for job seekers to find you. And in the final field, you can add more information about the position, requirements, and even more about the company to help attract top talent. And once saved, when navigating to the Job Ads card in the onboarding console, your ad will be visible to all. Prospective candidates can then directly apply by providing their email address, which will forward an electronic job application to their inbox, which they can then complete, add supporting documents, and then submit to you. After which, you will be notified. Applicants can be viewed by clicking on the Applicants card and view individual applications. You can view the entire profile, attachments added by the applicant, the job post you created, and in the final tab, you can update the status and send a one-click job offer. Job offers are emailed to candidates who can then electronically accept or decline. openHR also allows you to convert a job application to an employee from the application screen. Just make sure you select an appointment date. Once an application was converted to an employee, you can then also generate an employment contract from your onboarding console. Then, when the big day arrives, you can welcome them with an information packet that includes important company information, the internal telephone extension list, a company organogram, or any other document you want to attach to easily access and print.